I think conferences of this type, particularly with a lot of remote working, are a reminder of the value of face-to-face contact for building relationships, for networking and sharing ideas, and for a bit of socialising in a great and vibrant city.
What a great opportunity to get out there, meet people on a face-to-face in a great city. Networking, get them to share common interests, the best way of managing their fleet, and share best practice. So it's a great opportunity to speak to people in your sector and get more out of your system.
I think customers should come to the conference because they get immediate access to experts. Niggly little problems can get ironed out very quickly, and we can show the breadth of the product and how it can assist them. So in that regard, it's excellent time and money's well spent.